New day, brand new day, brand new day. Clouds are out a little bit, but we are planning a ride. I'm going to go outside here in a second. We're going to leave you at home for this weekend. We're going to take you, and look at that. You already got a double bubble on here. I ordered quite a few things before I even bought the bike. Shit just is coming in time. So we're going out today. For those that saw the bike, when I first bought it, stock levers, stock windscreen, license plate bracket on the back, Puig double bubble, roll, click, CRGs. Oh, I noticed something. This guy that owned it before did something I always do. These are cut down. These aren't broke. This cut down and sanded. I do that all the time. So that's something that I didn't have to do. Obviously, we dropped the license plate bracket off the back. License plate is on the bike, but it's not back there. Time to ride today. Violence.
I choose you!
All right, now CHP is gonna pull me over, and I'm letting them do it because I want y'all to see something. Since this bike has just been purchased and everything, you know, there's absolutely nothing to trip on. Obviously, we got insurance and everything is good to go. The thing that he's gonna pull me over for is no rear license plate and no blinkers, no rear blinkers. Here he comes. He paced me, so that's why I dropped speed. They're always going to say you guys are going fast. They're always going to say that. So what I did was I got away from the people that were going fast and got in the lane by myself because they're going faster than me, and I sat next to a guy that was going slower than me. Now, again, I don't have a plate on and I don't have blinkers on. This is how California works. They can pull you over for that. So what he's going to do is he's going to get off of here, he's going to go through that light cycle, and then he's going to come through and smash. Now see this Mustang right here and that white vehicle that I was behind? They're both up there, right? Those are going to be his markers. What's this guy doing? Those are going to be his markers. I blow past them, he knows I increased my speed. There's another CHP that's sitting on the off-ramp right there. I see him in my mirror. Now if he comes down that off-ramp, then, you know, they really want me. But right now, I'm just going to do a chill cruise on the way there.
Psych.
Man. CHP over there, too, on this on-ramp. Damn, this bike is smooth. What's up, sir? Outside. What time did you said give you 2 hours at 6:30. Come on, man. I said I was pulling up. Yeah, come on. We riding today, goddammit. Get your ass up.
happen when you don't expect it. I pulled to a stop sign, didn't see anybody behind me. Nobody. So I head back. Did they pull off in the parking lot up the next neighborhood? Did they know somebody? Are they waiting for somebody? I really was in a mindset like I really wanted to ride. So I was kind of like, I don't know, not annoyed, but I just wanted to see where everybody was. This road was straight enough, and I did not expect that this little turn was going to put somebody down. So I was absolutely confused. The bike was pointing a different direction, so it wasn't like he just pulled up and stopped. That let me know that somebody scrubbed. So as we pull up, I'm still confused as to what happened. E got the hazard lights on. I was thinking maybe he fell and hit E's bike, but the Beamer looked okay. But the look on E's face was like, oh, full disappointment. So I'm like, yo, did he hit you? Like, you all right? He's like, I don't know. Ask him. So I knew that was the deal. So it's like, what happened? Are you okay? He's standing. He's fully explaining what happened to me, at least from what he remembered, because I saw what happened on the camera. We go look at the bike, make sure it's okay to proceed. He's okay to proceed. And it's just like, okay, well, you got to ride home. So, let's proceed on. And that's how riding goes out here.